Hi everyone, Johnny here with Amin Trades. Hope you're having an excellent day. Today's episode is about day 4 of the challenge. Those of you who are following this journey, you already know that I started this challenge with roughly $1,500. And in 3 days, the account had grown over 45%. The starting equity for day 4, as you can see here, was $2,205.03. As I mentioned in earlier episodes, this challenge is for the month of November 2025. Started this challenge on the first trading day of the month, which was the 3rd of November. Day 2 was the 4th and day 3 was the 5th. However, day 4 is actually the 7th of November because there was no trades taken on day 6th for the small account challenge. Now let's find out if I made profit or lost money on day 4. But before that, remember, trading is very risky. I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out of the way, let's break down one of the live trades for day 4. ATON popped up at my pre-market momentum scanner. As of November 7th, float was very low, 940,000 shares. With a 16.32% short float and less than 1% was held by institutions. The stock closed below the open price 100% of the time it gapped up. The reason for this spike was this news catalyst. The company had a decent amount of cash left to operate. Now, these are the type of stocks that can have a short squeeze, so I was a bit cautious about shorting it. Any sign of strength, my plan was to cut it real quick. Here I was already short 150 shares at this pop here with an average of 524, and I was willing to add up to the $6 level and stop out if the $6 level held. So as you can see, I have an order out there to short 100 more shares at 550. And I had some cover orders at 480, 472, and 468 at that time. Changed the 550 order to 558. I was feeling a bit more confident because it wasn't gaining momentum with any volume. So that indicated that the demand was low. Less than 600,000 shares traded at that moment. Here it hits the 480 target. I manually took off another half at 775 instead of 772. Unfortunately, it didn't bounce at all, so I couldn't load full size, which was about 500 shares. Took off another half at 471 because it was really close to the previous day's close price and I didn't think it would go red without a bounce. I was wrong, and it didn't only go red on the day, it went red by more than 25%. Obviously, I had no idea that it would happen. So I was thinking of closing the trade real soon. And here I was all out of the trade at 476. The volume died out and I was pretty happy with the gain. $159.22 for the trade. This was the P&L for day 4. Traded 2 stocks, green on both, $175.63 profit before fees and commissions. The small account is growing nicely. Day 5's video will be posted on next Sunday. Those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up. Take care and happy trading.